Alright, another boost video in the test room. We're gonna donate a star treat. Let's get boosted. What is this? Let's go Dandelion. Let's put this on. No meteor shower, that's fine. Dandelion. Let's add our loaded dice. There we go. Alright, we got a very nice 2 people in this boost with us. They're helping me, which is really nice of them because not a lot of people will help you in the test room, but I found 2 of them, so yeah. Thank you for them. Their name is Massive Rich Blocks and Red Xenia. Thank you for them. Alright. Every time I boost, I just get no gummy star. Okay, I couldn't find the purple over there. 1.6 billion per second, that's how you know we are doing good. Still no gummy star, bro. No gummy star, that would have been really nice right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to build up our super crits. Still no gummy star. Why does every time I boost I get no gummy star? This is unfair. This is super unfair. There we go. Was it so far so good? Alright, we gotta keep this going. Let's go. So I can't put those up. Same, it's so hard to track the precise speed. We got no more gummy star, please. Only one gummy star so far. It's not. Let's go. We made that. No. There we go. Still no gummy star. This is unfair. Less. Finally. No, I didn't mean to jump. Oh my god. Alright, no good jelly beans yet. Like, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not getting any more, bro? I feel like we're gonna do a short boost, or not. I don't know. I don't want to take this guy's too much time, but or maybe we'll do a whole boost. I'm just not feeling it. What is going on with this hype? I mean, we already made 1 trillion. Because my super crit is not prepped. That's why. Oh man, this man's getting all the gummy star, bro. Like every time I boost, I rarely get any. It's not fair, bro. No gummy star. There we go. Alright, man already got another gummy star. Prop to this guy. This guy is lucky. There we go. Back to back, 100 billion, maybe. This boost, I don't know about this boost. It's not like doing too hot. I also have like a party tonight with my club members. We're celebrating a party for Christmas, so after this boost I'm gonna go there. We're also running out of jelly beans. Uh-oh. I got like what? 3 gummy star or 4 gummy stars so far. Wow, that man got like at least 8 already, something like that. Or even 6, which is a lot. Long boost like really takes your stuff away. That's crazy. I'm getting tired. I think I'll just do like a 15-minute boost video. So after this ends in 55 seconds, I'll end the video. I'm not gonna do like a full boost because it's quite getting late. I have to get ready. You know what? Screw that. Let's see how far we can go. Alright. I don't know if balloons helps others, but we'll see. Well, that guy left, the one with the fuzzies. Anyway, thanks for his help though, I appreciate that. Alright, I don't know, I think we should just stop here and get like 2 trillion. Or even 1 point something. Alright, that'll be it for the video. I know I popped like a super smoothie and black loaded dice. Let's see how much we made. 2.1. How far is that? I don't even know. 2.1. So 500, so like right here. 2 trillion 48. Shout out to this guy. Red Xenia. Good, thank you for helping. Alright, that's it for the video, bye.